Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to Digital Social Science YouTube channel. Presented by M. Ruxana, Assistant Teacher of Galib High School, Ballari. Geography Mineral Resources of Karnataka. We learn about the following in this chapter. The minerals available in Karnataka and their importance. Understand the distribution and production of important minerals in Karnataka. Meaning, mineral resources are naturally occurring inorganic substances that can be extracted for economic value. They are formed over millions of years through geological processes and are essential for various industries and technologies. These are the pictures of minerals: iron ore, gold, manganese, limestone, copper, bauxite, chromite, mica, asbestos and granite are the important minerals. Let us study about them. Iron ore. This is the picture of iron ore. Iron ore is the raw material for iron and steel industry. Karnataka has vast reserves of magnetite and hematite grade iron ore. Karnataka is the second largest producer of iron ore in India after Odisha. High grade magnetite ore contributes 63% of the iron ore produced in Karnataka. The remaining 37% of iron ore produced in Karnataka is hematite ore. Distribution and mining in Karnataka. Major iron ore bearing districts: Ballari, Chikmagaluru, Bagalkot, Chitradurga, Tumkuru, Shivamogga, Dakshina Kannada, Uttara Kannada and Gadag. Rich deposits in Bellary. The Hospet and Sandur regions in Bellary district have particularly abundant iron ore deposits. Mining locations. Iron ore is extracted from various places including Donimalai, Vibhuti Gudda, Belagala, Kumaraswamy Hills, Timmappana Gudi, Devadri Range and Ramadurga Hills. Chikmagaluru iron ore. The district has iron ore deposits in areas like Bababudangiri Hills, Kemmanagundi, Kedremugh, Gangamula, Kalhattagiri and Janusuri hillocks. Mining restrictions at Kudremukh. Due to its national park status, mining has been halted at Kudremukh to protect biodiversity as per a Supreme Court order. Other iron ore locations. Besides Chikmagaluru, iron ore is also found in Hosadurga and Sasalu, Amingad, Huliyara and Chikkanayaganahalli, Kumsi, Shankaragudda and Siddarahalli. Iron ore utilization. The iron ore produced in Karnataka is primarily used by domestic steel plants like the Vishveshwaraya Iron and Steel Plant at Bhadravati and the Jindal Vijayanagara Iron and Steel Works near Bellary. Any surplus is exported. In Bellary, Jindal factory is located. This is the picture of manganese ore. Primarily found in oxide form in sedimentary and metamorphic rocks. Steel alloying, used to increase the hardness of steel. Other applications: manganese is also used in the manufacture of chemicals, electrical industry, chemical fertilizers, calico printing and paints. Jack of all trades. Due to its wide range of application, manganese is often referred to as the jack of all trades. Manganese ore in Karnataka. Karnataka has significant manganese ore deposits. Production ranking. Karnataka is the second largest producer of manganese ore in India after Odisha. Distribution: manganese ore is often found in areas where iron ore is present. Major producers: Sandur in Bellary district is the primary source of manganese ore in Karnataka, contributing approximately 90% of the state's production. Other mining centers: Kumsi, Shankaragudda, Hasahalli, Sadarahalli, Chikkanayakanhalli, Sirasi Taluk, Supa, Dharwad, Vijayapura and Chikkamangaluru are also known for manganese ore mining. Exports: a substantial portion of Karnataka's manganese ore production is exported to countries like Japan and China. This is the map of Karnataka. This is the picture of bauxite ore, primarily used in the production of aluminium. Other application: bauxite is also used in the manufacturing of cement, steel and electric wires. Increasing demand: due to its various applications, the demand for bauxite is on the rise. Bauxite deposits: Karnataka's bauxite ore deposits are located in the districts of Belgavi, Chikkamangaluru, Chitradurga, Dakshina Kannada and Udupi. Belgavi's dominance: Belgavi district is the leading producer of bauxite in Karnataka. Mining areas: bauxite mines are situated in Belgavi and Khanapur taluks. Industrial use: the bauxite extracted is utilized by the Indian Aluminium Company factory in Belgavi. Gold, a rare valuable yellow metal used for ornaments and other valuable items. This is the picture of gold. Increasing demand and price: due to increased demand, the price of gold has risen significantly. Karnataka's gold production: Karnataka is the leading gold producer in India, accounting for 80% of the country's total gold output. Historical mining: gold mining in Karnataka dates back to ancient times, with large-scale operations beginning in 1880 by John Taylor, leading to the establishment of Kolar Goldfields (KGF) in 1885. KGF mines: Nandidurg, Urigam, Champion Reef and Mysore mines were the four major mines in KGF. Champion Reef was the deepest gold mine at 3,217 meters. Depletion and closure: due to extensive mining, gold deposits in KGF are nearly exhausted, leading to the closure of most mines. And production: Hatti in Raichur district is now the largest gold mine in India. Other gold producing areas include Bellara, Ajjanahalli, Mulgund, Kappatagudda and Kempinakote. Jazakallahu khaira. Allah Hafiz.